Winter storm alert. Welcome to another episode of The Green Light with your boy TPG, where we are getting ready for a winter storm, folks. It's all happening. So much media hype. I love it. The garden. There's still a little bit left. Those are definitely not tomatoes. And we are supposed to get anywhere from 5 to 12 inches tonight. Started clearing wood from the wood pile. The outdoor wood pile. This is the outdoor wood pile. Obviously, won't be able to use this wood in the storm. But if we look here, we got salt prep, and we got lots of wood. So I got the kindling, big logs, big wood. Then of course we got the beast herself. Got this bad boy, got the treads on it, full tank style, massive tank energy. Shout out Tank Girl. And we'll use this, clear that driveway. So we'll see when this thing gets here, you know? See when it gets here. Ha! You already know. I told you it was coming. I told you it was coming. I thought 6 inches was like not that much snow, but I think we're past that. It hasn't really slowed down. And I'm just looking here, and I didn't even hear it. But Maddie, what do you see right there, dude? Look, how did that get there?
It crushed the canoe.
It crushed the canoe.
We can't go canoeing.
What happened?
We can't go canoeing. You can see that our canoe fell.
This is probably a terrible idea, but we're gonna do a downward hill sled here. See what happens. That core. Here we go. Start to pick up some speed. Probably headed towards the tree. Oh, I found. Love to see it, huh? It's pretty thrilling. There's something about the snow, man. Just reminds you of growing up. Just reminds you about the passing of time, and it just reminds you that sometimes we can all stand to get a little bit closer to nature and ride that downhill.
Welcome